Hey guys, today we are in BMW. This is X5 2020 model with this virtual cockpit over here, and I'm going to show you how to reset maintenance reminders over here. So first of all, we are in the car. I'm sorry that the user interface is set in Polish, but this is a demo car and I don't want to mess around with the settings over here since I get only a few minutes. So first of all, we need to turn on the ignition without turning on the engine. And what you need to do is don't press the brake, locate the start stop engine button and press it rapidly 3 times. And the whole thing wakes up. Radio off. We have some reminders, and over here there's a BC button. So press and hold it. And we are going to wait about 10 or 15 seconds. I hope that I've pressed it not too late after turning the ignition on. So let's give it a few more seconds. If not, I'm going to repeat this. Okay. And over here you can see that the engine oil can be reset, and the next reminder is at this point. And if we short press the button, we can scroll through all the reminders. So we have brake fluid, oil, engine, general inspection, brake fluid. Okay. And right now, when you select one of those reminders, just press and hold the button like so. Wait another 10, maybe 15 seconds. It takes a long time over here. The previous BMWs had it set differently, and right now you have the question, do you want to reset? And right now, if I short press it, I would reset the reminder, but I don't want to do this at this time. If you don't press anything, it will just go away after a few seconds. So that's pretty much all you need to know about the maintenance reset over here. I believe that if you dig deep enough into this navigation system, this iDrive infotainment system, you can check what are those maintenance reminders set to. So that way you can confirm that it was actually reset from over here. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial. See you soon.